Hey guys, I just wanted to get this quick video out right now for you. This is going to be short and sweet and to the point. But we've all know about Dogecoin. It's gotten a big run for its money recently with Elon Musk pretty much endorsing it. And that's what happens with any product, you know, whether it's a Hollywood celebrity or actress or actor that endorses a product, it goes off of the shelves, and it's done that with Doge. Elon Musk mentioned it on his Twitter page, and probably as a joke, mind you, but because the entire coin is a joke, it actually has no functionality to it, no value, no long-term sustainability whatsoever. But you know what? Elon Musk, he's a billionaire, so people are going to listen to him. So Dogecoin has gone through the roof, as we all know, and a lot of people who haven't even been involved in cryptocurrency before have gotten started with Dogecoin. Okay, but anyways, so here we are with Dogecoin, and here, if we look at the charts, this is how much it has increased over the year, 13,000% as of today. In the past 24 hours, it's gone up 14%. Over the past 2 weeks, it's gone up 350%. These are phenomenal figures and percentages. But what if I told you there was another coin out there that has gotten very little attention and has done even better than Dogecoin over the past year, over the past 30 days even? Would you want to know about that one? We're talking about pirates today. So, Pirate Chain. Nobody's even heard of this coin. I heard about it last year. We got involved. It was just this little penny stock coin, cryptocurrency, and it has taken off. And look what it has done over the past year, 40,000%. Here's what Doge has done. 13,000% over the past 2 weeks, 350% for Doge. For Pirate, 1,558%. And on top of it, it's a coin that's worth having. It has a functionality. It has developers behind it. It has a white paper. It has a roadmap. These are things that you want to look for when you're investing in a coin. So let's have a quick look. Here's the comparison between the two. So here's Dogecoin, their website. And what is Dogecoin? It basically just says it's an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus. Okay, it's got some wallets. That's a good sign. It's got a video that talks about what is Dogecoin, and basically if you watch this video, it just talks about how it's a currency that you can transfer from peer-to-peer, which is what you can do with any cryptocurrency. It tells you how to get started with Dogecoin. But that's it. This is their entire website. There's no roadmap, there's no white paper, nothing. Now, if we go to Pirate Chain, it's got a little bit about itself. It's quoted as being the most anonymous cryptocurrency in the industry. I know Monero has a great name in the industry for being private and anonymous. And Pirate Chain has some of the same features as Monero, as well as Zcash. So it's kind of the best of both worlds and incorporated into it. And it does say that it's got private transactions. It's actually based off of DPoW, which is a delayed proof of work, which is a really interesting concept. It talks about the delayed proof of work here and how that actually helps increase your privacy. And if any of you have watched enough of my shows on this channel, you know that privacy and decentralization is very important to me. Once you learn those concepts, you start to realize that those are concepts that you not only need, but definitely want when you're dealing with your own finances and financial money transactions. That's highly important to me. So I do like that aspect of it. And here you can actually see they have a roadmap, which the coin started in 2018, and this is what their plans are for 2021. So I like to see that. Means they've development team has an action plan and are working on things. This is a link to their wallets, and they've got a full node wallet, a light wallet for faster sync and smaller amounts, a mobile wallet, and they do have a paper wallet as well. And the treasure chest is actually the full node wallet, of course. They have all of these social tags, which I like to see. There's a lot of support then from the community and the developers on lots of different platforms. And then they have a support tab here as well. So FAQ section, they've got how-to videos, they've got a YouTube channel with videos on there. They have a Discord and a Telegram group. And so they're always keeping in touch with the community and helping with solutions and problems if anybody has any. If we look at the past and the charts here, now over the past year, you can see quite a significant rise. I mean, it's had a good little bull run, I guess you could say, over the past few weeks. But it actually just got a little bit of a pump just yesterday, actually. And now it's gone down from there, which is something that you actually want to see. You want to see this, recover. So now I believe that this coin is on its normal trajectory for the rest of the year. Now currently it is around the $11 mark, but I do see this coin, because it's got some function, it's got an enormous amount of privacy, private transactions that don't even track your IP address, never mind your wallet. Nobody can look up your transactions on the blockchain. Nobody can see how much money is in your wallet. There's just nothing that traces this coin whatsoever. I do think that with all of the, we've got, a couple of things in our world today with the pandemic and governments printing money like crazy, and Biden just implemented a huge increase on capital gains tax if your net worth is over $1 million. But that's not going to affect everybody. But if you're involved in crypto, I mean, let's face it, that's not hard to do these days. Crypto millionaires are made daily. So that's not a new thing anymore. I think crypto billionaire is going to have to be the next thing. And so when you're dealing with your money, I just still think that it needs to be private. And I just think that with all of these implementations, censoring and trying to track everything that we do, whether it's through our phones, which is mostly how they track us, which is why you want this Clear phone. These are decentralized phones and amazing. And if you don't have one, I mean, I never would have put a banking app on my iPhone before, but this one, I would consider it. Definitely never would have put a crypto mobile app on my iPhone before either, but this, I would consider it as well. So all these things help take our privacy back. And I think in the crypto world, and when it's dealing with money and finances, these privacy coins like Monero and Pirate Chain are going to be very valuable in the future. Now, I'm not a financial expert and I'm not a trader. I'm a person who actually looks at the fundamentals of a coin and decides whether I want to, if there's a good reason for me to invest in the coin. Do I believe in the developers? Do I believe in the team and the project itself? These are all factors that I will look at. The market cap as well is important. But you know what? It's $11 right now. I think it's, it's on right now it's kind of going down. I think this coin is actually a really good time to get in. Let's put it that way. Anywhere from, if it's like $8 to $12, the bull run is not over in cryptocurrency, and this coin still has a lot of room to move. I do believe that it's possible that this coin may, and I do say may, it's just my opinion, it may go to $100 or more by the end of this year alone. Here's the potential with this coin. I mean, this 40,000% is already a lot more than the 13,000% that Dogecoin has. And this was done over the past year, all organically. It's all organic. Whereas Dogecoin has received its 13,000% from a billionaire endorsement. This coin hasn't had a billionaire endorsement. So I think there's huge potential for this coin. I think it's enormously undervalued. And because of the privacy features, I do think that it's worth looking at and getting in now while you can. I think that it's a buy and hold, but again, not financial advice, just what we're doing. So wanted to get this out to you quickly today because it's kind of timely. If you guys like this video and like the topic and would like to see more videos like this and maybe some recommendations on coins that really aren't being talked about anywhere else, if I've got a good recommendation, they don't come around every day. They're kind of like that diamond in the rough. So, but please like and subscribe to this channel so that you get notified for the next video, and hit that bell notification so that you'll always be up to date when we send out the next video on it in a timely fashion. So make it a great day and loving the crypto life, and we'll see you on the next one.